I sit and tell y'all something. I don't know if y'all be believing the kid, but you see where we at. We at the dealership, and we going to get a car today. No, we're getting, the car is already got. I just got to pick it up. And I want y'all to stop right here. You hear me? Stop right here and tell me, like, what kind of joint I'm getting. You hear me? What joint is it? If y'all know me, let's see if y'all know me. Put it down in the comment section below. Let me know what I'm getting today. You know? It's one of them type of days, you know, they got me sun eye, diamonds dancing, glance. I got my boy Chubb behind the camera. It feel good. I might just hit a wood today.
This dude
here. We at car, man. Eh? We finna go ahead. Look, this is what we gonna do. We gonna go from, oh my God. We finna go look at some of the cars.
Are you looking at that BMW? I already know.
Yeah, we finna go look at some of the cars. I don't even know. They supposed to be open. I got a reservation for today. They supposed to be open. Look at that Porsche truck. Look at that Porsche truck. Oh my God. That motherfucker.
That's that GTA motherfucker right there. That's that GTA motherfucker.
Oh my God.
And that bitch wide body in the back.
On this?
That motherfucker got hips on that motherfucker.
62? That's a M.
This motherfucker got some hips.
Hey, that motherfucker like that though.
Yeah, that motherfucker.
It's definitely like that.
Yeah, that motherfucker like that.
So, but we ain't come here for that. I ain't gonna lie to you, but this right here, this that. For sure, this definitely that. Like, I ain't even no BMW type of nigga, but I just wanna hear how this sound. But this we finna do though. Since we out here, this another M. I'ma go ahead and tell y'all what car, you know, that we getting today. Might as well. We gonna walk y'all through the whole process. Besides when I'm filling out and giving out my personal information, I ain't gonna film it, but I got a Porsche truck. How you doing? I got an appointment. I don't know if I'm early or not. I got an appointment for
Perfect. Yeah, if you wanted to go in, we open at 11, but we do have a waiting area in there if you want.
Okay.
If we have somebody free, we can absolutely have somebody support you as well.
You don't mind me videotaping for it, nothing like that, do you?
No, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
And the Corvette does have the doors open if you wanted to look at it while you're waiting too. So.
Alrighty, appreciate it. So, I mean, y'all just heard it. It ain't no point in me even prolonging no more. Y'all see what we here for. We here for the vet, the C8. I told y'all, like,
Man, we here for this wide body scat right here, man.
Oh my,
He ain't getting this, y'all. He getting this right here.
And the door's open. Like, this looks like a cat. Like, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Like,
This motherfucker is a red eye, nigga. Look at that.
no. They put some extra stuff in it. They had to. But it's a scat though. But it got red eye like features. You got the red eye hood.
Oh yeah,
Red
that
eye
motherfucker.
dash.
Oh, definitely is.
They had to put a red eye dash on.
They had to.
Yeah, because it's a scat for sure.
What the C say? Oh yeah, the C say scat.
It's a scat for sure. It do look like a cat though, I ain't gonna lie. They debadged it. Whoever debadged was trying to make it seem like they had a Hellcat. They probably traded in to get a kit.
It's powered by SRT though, y'all.
It's powered by SRT.
For sure. So it's still that thing.
But this is what I'm here for right here, man.
Look at this pretty bitch right here.
Like, this is what I'm here for right here, man. Like, yeah. Tight shit.
Yeah, y'all see this motherfucker, man.
Twin. Tight shit.
Hold on.
Tight shit, twin. Tight shit, twin. You feel me? Just on a light day. Some light, some slight.
Man.
Like, yeah, just some slight, some light. Like, yeah, you see, you see what's going on, man. The kid that did, it's the motherfucking kid that did, like, I'm on car number 4 now. If I went to gave away my car, sold them, if I had every car that I had since starting YouTube, bro, I'd probably have over 20 cars, bro. But this the newest, this coming home. For sure. For sure.
Yeah, this motherfucker that. This motherfucker that.
Oh my God, bro. Like, golly, bro.
Look at the engine on that motherfucker.
Golly, like,
That
I'm
motherfucker.
happy, bro. Like, let me tell y'all this, bro. Like, believe y'all self, bro. Put God first. Like, I wouldn't have none of this, be getting none of this, bro, if it wasn't for God. Serious note. Jesus, bro, like, man, I'm grateful. It's like, man, they know. Like, my boys know I've been talking about the C8 ever since I had to sell it. Like, since I sold my white one, they know I've been talking about it like, like, man, man. I mean, what can I say? You know what I'm saying? Like, it still feel bittersweet. Even though I had one before, it still feel bittersweet, man. Like, man, I don't know. It's feeling different. Oh my God.
The keys in the box.
Huh?
The keys in that box.
Yeah, y'all. Dang. Let me see. Let me see this. Let me see this. Let me see. Look how many miles on this joint, bro. Look how many miles on this joint. Hold on. I'm gonna show you, it's 3,200 miles, bro. So YouTube, man, we got a done deal, bro. You hear me? I finally just signed the paperwork, did everything, gave the money, man, and she finally mine, bro. Like, this me, like, no cap. She look good as hell, like, man. Oops, I did it again. Look at that. We just a young ball niggas, man. Like, just a young ball niggas that's getting money. You know? Yeah, man. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm hella excited. We got a 16-hour drive back home. I'm probably gonna see my cousin. We gonna stop. We gonna stop at the store. The video ain't over, bro. The video ain't over. We gonna vlog the whole rest of the day. I need to definitely get my thumbnail though, for sure. Get my thumbnail. All right. Ready to go though. Pop that hood on. Hear that thing, man. Hold on. So y'all can hear it, bro. Do a little. Here she come with the paperwork. Everything I need.
This is everything you need, besides the title packet that we're going to be sending out to you.
Okay.
That comes to you typically about 2 weeks
Okay.
after purchase. We have to get the title done in Arizona. Once that's processed, then we'll be able to send everything to you.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, but in the front is that letter that I was talking about, and also your purchase details with all of the vehicle MaxCare gap information.
Alrighty.
And
Appreciate
then
it.
this is my card. In case you need anything, I just wanted to give this to you as well. You're welcome to give me a call as well.
Alrighty. Thank you for
Okay?
everything.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
I hope you guys have a nice day.
All right. Have a nice day. Put this in there for me. Go ahead, give it a what's called a start, man. Woo. She quiet right now, but yeah, man. For sure, ski. Get up in here, man. So, man, we gonna hit y'all when we get to the next location, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If you ain't subscribed by that, y'all should already see, bro. Like, I'm a man of my word. I does my thing when I do it. You feel me? Oh, I'm gonna give y'all a full tour when I get back to the crib, though, man. YouTube, the second day, man, I'm back at home. I'm finna give y'all a full rundown. The whole car, man, because I ain't get the chance to do it while I was at the dealership. It's a little dirty. We got it dirty because we had a 16-hour drive, but don't worry about that. You hear me? I already put the front license plates on. It say BBE. You feel me? It's going to Red Oski. So this I got a 2020, one LT, but I'm going to turn it up. It's going to be a 3LT when I get done with it. The top come off, so it ain't no hard top. The top do come off. And it only got 4,000. Well, it had 3,200 off the lot. But I just drove and put like 1,600 miles on, so it got like 45 miles. 47 miles on it. Bang. All right, cool. So let's talk about my car right now. So how much did it cost? Y'all seen it cost $57,000, but out the door, I'll talk them to a little bit lower because I was paying cash. So when you paying cash, you gotta know you gotta come correct. People keep asking me about my experience with CarMax, and I'm gonna say it's a good company. Don't get me wrong, they prices a little high, so they really don't like bargaining. But like, since you get what I'm saying, if you come in cash, then they really gonna be crying. What the hell is this, bro? What the hell is this? Like somebody getting ashed on my fucking car. What is that, bro? I don't know what that is, bro. I'm gonna get it detailed. Cause I don't know what the hell that is right there. But moving on, y'all can see the car clean as hell, bro. Front, you hear me? It's a front trunk. Like I said, the top do come down, which y'all already seen it in the video. Bang. I'm gonna show y'all the engine. The inside of the car ain't nothing major. It's black with like white stitching. So that's a plus, you feel me? Like, you could do a lot with that. So this thing right here, like the black thing with the white stitching, that's how the wrap gonna be. Like, y'all tell me, like, what should I do for the wrap? Like, and then, like, it's hella hard. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, y'all know from my first C8, bruh, I loved it. No cap. Loved it, no cap. Got the Stingray on the back. So we gonna look at the engine, bruh. Like, she hot right now. I just got done driving. I'm talking about dogging her. But y'all can see, bro, we got a lot of trunk space. So the top come off and then they go in the trunk. These are spaces for it to put on there. You click into the trunk. I don't know what this is. I probably gotta check my owner manual, because I don't know what the hell this come from. I don't know, but it say Corvette, so I'm guessing it look like it ain't no missing pieces, so I don't know what the hell that is. But I ain't sure if this come up. It probably do though, because it's probably a spur in here. Let me see. Like, this is my first Chevy. Like, I don't know. I don't think this come up. But, yeah, I don't think this come up. If it do, I don't know. I got to do some research. Y'all see the back. I'm definitely going to upgrade this. Like, this a plus right there. Like, you can see through it a little bit. But I'm going to upgrade this, bro. I'm going to get that exhaust everybody talk about. Probably a Corsa Extreme. I don't know. Probably get a Corsa Extreme exhaust. I'm going to put another intake on it. I don't even know if this bone stock, because I ain't even checked it, but what I'm thinking it is, because they look like the factory intake. If I'm not mistaken, bro, they look like the factory intake. But she drive good and everything like that. No, clean Carfax. Clean Carfax. Stuff like that. What else to talk about? Now what I will be changing on the outside is the wheels. I'm definitely going to get a spoiler too. I'm gonna get a spoiler. They go on the back, so I'm definitely gonna get a spoiler. What else? The wheels for sure. I'm doing the brake calipers a different color. I don't even know. Y'all let me know, bro. I don't know if these 6-piston brakes or what, but they do got the sport all season tires. The rims is all right. Let me show y'all what I don't like about the setup of it. They tucked in, bro. Like, if you looking at it from right here, you can't see them. They tucked in. So definitely, I'll probably go 4G. Or something like that, bro. I'll probably put some 4Gs on them or do something like that. We is going carbon fiber on some pieces. I'm definitely finna get a front wing. I'm gonna get a front wing right here to get put on. So I'm buying a front wing for sure. I'm probably gonna upgrade to the ZL1 hood. What other upgrades? I know I'm gonna get a cold air intake. I'm gonna get a tune. It ain't really much you could do with a C8. Like, I've literally been researching, doing YouTube, and ain't nothing you can really do too much on. But that go down, like this automatic lock on its own. I don't know if the front do that. But other than that, man, probably do something to the headlights. Do a wrap, of course. Y'all already know I gotta put my wrap on it. But yeah, man, that's really it. You hear me? It's red with black hints, and it's clean. Clean, bro. As soon as I seen that, I'm like, yeah, I got to get it. No cap, bro. You can ask anybody, bro. As soon as I seen that, I'm like, bro, this me. It might be a 1LT. I didn't want a 3LT. I really wanted to customize it. Like, I ain't spec this car out, so I wasn't really looking for no mods or nothing like that. I was looking for it to be stock like this so I could put my own touch on it, so I could really customize it as I want. But this the car gang. Like, tell me if I made a good purchase, bro. Y'all comment. Like, what car should we get next? The Hellcat video dropping because the engine and everything got rebuilt.
from the last video. Y'all seen that. It definitely got rebuilt. It's ready. The next video gonna be about that. Stay tuned, man. Subscribe. If you already heard, bro, you might as well subscribe. If you already subscribed, turn the bell notification on so you don't miss no content, because we going crazy, bro. Next video, Hellcat, all the cars, bro. Y'all let me know what content y'all should see. What would make my channel a better channel, appealing. I want to know. I want to hear from y'all, bro. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate y'all scoring a red eye. Peace.